starting at $50,000. The XC40 Recharge is related to older Volvo cars, but runs on a very good modern EV engine. FK Tech here. Remember those old Volvo wagons with their boxy and practical design? If you think of the 2024 XC40 Recharge as a modern take on a long brick roof, it's truly modern. The XC40 Recharge has 402 horsepower with stunning looks. It hides all power units with a calculated range of up to 460 kilometers. Volvo has created several interior features to enhance the utility character of the XC40 Recharge, such as a smart integrated storage solution and a large cargo area for transporting bulky items. Of course, you can get all this from the fuel-efficient XC40, which we review separately, but if you want something with a green image, the Recharge model is a better choice. The Tesla Y model does not offer a lot of driving ranges, but it is certainly more refined and offers better building. What is new before 2024? Rear-wheel drive 248 horsepower. A single-motor version was added to the lineup this year and has a longer range than the dual-motor all-wheel drive version. Because the new RWD unit uses a more efficient and slightly larger 79.0 kWh battery pack, the single-motor model is good for up to 273 miles of range. The twin-motor trim is enhanced with electric motors for improved efficiency, resulting in an increased range of around 250 miles per charge. The XC40 Recharge comes in 3 trims, but with the ultimate stackable trim, which costs less than the mid-range Plus and comes with plenty of extras. The Ultimate has unique 20-inch wheels, automatic high-beam headlights, a Harman/Kardon stereo system, adaptive cruise control and a semi-autonomous driving mode. Single-motor and dual-motor drives offer different ranges and output powers to suit your specific needs, leaving it up to you. EV engine, power and performance. The entry-level XC40 Recharge is powered by a single rear-mounted electric motor that produces 248 horsepower. Dual-motor models have 2 electric motors, one on each axle, for permanent all-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive system generated 402 horsepower and propelled the XC40 Recharge to 62 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds on our test track. During our test, we noticed rocking and cruising behavior. More aggressive drivers may find the Polestar 2 better. Regenerative braking allows one-pedal driving, a necessary and useful EV feature we appreciate. Range, charging and battery life. The single-motor model comes with a 79.0 kWh battery, which Volvo says can run up to 273 miles on a single charge. The twin-motor all-wheel drive model comes standard with a 75.0 kWh battery and is said to be capable of driving up to 400 kilometers. That estimated range puts the XC40 Recharge on par with the Audi e-tron and Jaguar I-Pace, but puts the Volvo at a disadvantage compared to the Model Y, which gets more than 300 miles per charge. The XC40 Recharge can be charged using a 240-volt outlet at DC fast charging terminals and home chargers. Real-world fuel economy and MPG. The EPA hasn't yet estimated the 2024 XC40's recharge interval, but we expect slightly better numbers from the 2023 model. We're looking forward to evaluating the XC40's gas mileage and real-world range during our 75-mile highway fuel economy test, and we'll update this story with the results once we complete the test. For more information on the XC40's fuel economy, see the EPA website. Interior, comfort and cargo. The XC40 Recharge's interior offers everything we love about the standard XC40. Thoughtful storage space, a comfortable driving position and roomy first and second row seats. Since the XC40 hasn't lost any cargo capacity by going electric, expect the recharged model to carry just as much carry-on luggage as the petrol version. In our test, the XC40 held 23 suitcases with the rear seats folded down. And without the 4-cylinder engine under the hood, it frees up space for the XC40 Recharge's front trunk, which is great for storing charging cables. Infotainment and connectivity. All XC40 Recharge models come with Volvo's latest infotainment software developed in conjunction with Google's Android Automotive. The XC40 Recharge's corporate cousin, the Polestar 2, offers a similar infotainment system that's intuitive and compact in functionality, but the Volvo version has small on-screen buttons that are difficult to maneuver while driving. A standard 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster offers more customization options. Despite a partnership with Google, the new infotainment system offers connectivity options for Android and Apple iPhone devices. A wireless smartphone charging station is also available. Safety features and driver assistance. Volvo offers a range of advanced driver assistance systems as standard, including automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. Standard automatic emergency braking system that detects pedestrians and cyclists. Standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. Standard adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode. Warranty and maintenance. Volvo offers a comprehensive warranty package, including a free scheduled maintenance plan for 3 years or 36,000 miles on new vehicles. Limited warranty 4 years or 80,000 kilometers. Powertrain warranty 4 years or 80,000 kilometers. Battery parts warranty period is 8 years or 100,000 miles. Free scheduled maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.